This phylum is otherwise we are termed as Cnidaria, kingdom Animalia, phylum Coelentata. So this phylum includes diverse forms such as jellyfish, corals, sea animals. Coelentates mostly marine except for hydra, which is freshwater in form. They may be free swimming, living alone. A word Coelentata means hollow cavity. That means cavity. Coelentates are radially symmetrical. Their body has 2 or 3 layers, ectoderm, endoderm. A gastrovascular cavity and a single opening that serves both mouth and anus is usually surrounded by tentacles. Coelentata has special stinging cells called cnidocytes. Cnidoplast is a help to food capture, anchorage, defense, and to capture mechanisms in aggressive invasive sessile coelentates fixed in one substratum. Coelentates are carnivores and exhibit both extracellular digestion and the intracellular digestion. Extracellular, that is gastrovascular cavity. Intracellular digestion, that is inside the nutritive cells, endoderms. In coelentata process such as respiration and excretion occur by simple diffusion process. In another system in coelentates, primitive development of the nerve cells and consist of diffused net of nerve cells. The soft body coelentates may knocked or supported by calcareous exoskeleton or endoskeleton. So many coelentates exhibit polymorphism, that is they exist in 2 different body forms, polyps and another one medusa. Polyp is tubular body form which is usually sessile, while a medusa is an free swimming body form. Polyp represent asexual phase. Medusa is in a sexual stage in coelentate's life cycle. Polyp gives rise to medusa by asexual reproduction by budding. Matures polyps by sexual reproduction in which the fertilized eggs into ciliated free swimming planula larva. So this is alteration of the generations we are known as metagenesis. Coelentata is divided into 3 classes actually. First class is Hydrozoa, second class is Hyphozoa, and third class is Anthrozoa. The class Hydrozoa consists of all coelentates with polyps as a dominant body form. Medusa either in reduced or absent in the Hydrozoans class. So examples of the same are, we see the meaning of term words in biology this chapter. Aquatic means living in water, sessile means fixed in one place, solitary means living alone, colonial forms composed of 2 or more conspecific individuals, radial symmetry means arrangement of the body parts around central axis like rays on a species, top and the bottom, or left and right and front and back. Cnidocytes means explosive cell containing one gain secreting organelle. Tentacles means elongated organ, slender flexible appendages. Anchorage means attachment, stable surface. Defense means to protect somebody. Diploplastic, they are having 2 germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm. Hypostome means it's otherwise we are called as mouth. That's other term for trilobit, ventral mouth part, distinctive structures in the mouth part in the animal group. Ingestion, taking substances through the mouth. And egestion means removing or discharging undigested food. For example, fecus. Sexual, asexual means independent of sexual process, that is not involving the fusion of male and female gametes. And sexual means male and female gametes involving fusion. We are talking about the summary of the Cnidaria. Once again we recall, this group of animals are mostly aquatic and sessile and free swimming. solitary and colonial form. Their body is radial symmetry except the sea anemone. Sea anemone has bilateral symmetry of their body. Nidoplast is stinging cells are nematocysts on the tentacles. See, this nidoplast is used for anchorage defense and to capture the food. The first group of these organisms, tissue level made up of their tissue level organization, made up of their body, tissue level organization among the groups, among the other groups. So this type of the organisms diploplastic, that is two layers is present, ectoderm, endoderm. Central vascular cavity is the mouth, one of the mouth only used for both the process of ingestion and egestion. Digestion is our intracellular and both the intracellular, extracellular. Nervous system is a primitive development and by diffuse nerve net-like presence. Calcium carbonate skeleton is made up of their body. For example, corals, polyp and medusa of this animal groups. Polyp undergo a sexual generation and medusa its umbrella shape, free swimming and it undergo the sexual generation. Polyp actually sessile type and cylindrical type. Habitat. For example, Hydra and Adamsia. Metagenesis is the process, alteration of the generation from the polyp to develop the medusa. So metagenesis is the cycle from the polyp to the medusa development. Polyp undergo asexual and medusa undergo sexual reproduction. Development is indirect in a free swimming planula larva. Physalia, Adamsia, Pennatula and Medrina other examples of this group. Physalia Portuguese manaphor and sea anemone Adamsia we called sea pen we call Pennatula and Medrina brine coral.